bit of excitement here today. This thing here arrived. Now, just to explain, first of all, we have a 25,000 litre, is it, water tank? Since we've been here for, what, 16 years at least. Some point, we've managed to accidentally empty it, whether it be due to a leak, a tap being left on, a sprinkler being left on. Something has happened every year, and every year we've thought, oh, we've learnt our lesson, we won't let that happen again. Every year. You can get those big long, what are they called, water monitor things that stick up. We thought about that. They're about $250, give or take.
280, I think.
280 is it? Depending on where you go, where you look. But the problem is, from our house, we wouldn't really be able to see it on our water tank. And I'm not sure we'd really notice it driving past, knowing us. So we've been slowly saving over for one of these tank level system starter kits. We had a couple of different ones in mind, and the one we thought we were going to get cost between $600 to $700. Then we saw this one on special,
which was the same price and virtually the same kit.
Yes, it's basically the same thing. It was on special for $480, so we pounced on it.
Unboxing, and we're going to install it, and we're going to see how well it works for us.
Yes. It is currently snowing today, so we're not installing it today, but...
Trust me, today it's going to happen, but we've got 6 inches of snow, so...
He nearly cried. Very close. There were tears welling up.
Right, let's have a look. Wireless monitoring, a quick start system. Well, it's got instructions.
So...
Normally I don't believe in instructions, but this time I probably will. An aerial, that looks like, and I'm assuming the aerial goes on this. Oh, look at this. So here's the depth gauge. Wow, I like that.
Oh.
And this is the part that I did not want. But
We wanted the one that was wall mounted,
yeah.
but we weren't willing to pay an extra $200 or $300 for it. So we got the desk mounted one.
Look at that. Bum, 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 bum. We have lots of wires and cables and things.
Strict handling precautions must be observed when handling the stainless steel sensor contained in this smart water product. Oh, is that is it?
So do not touch.
Do not drop the sensor. Handle the sensor with care at all times.
Oh damn, that was sent by the postal service. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So it goes on like that. Boom. There we go.
So the idea is this fella here sits on top of our water tank. We've got a sensor that goes down into there, and this fella here, or fellas, it could be a girl, I don't know, sits on the bench, and it actually tells us what the water level is looking like, and it gives us a little alarm if it gets below a certain level.
Well, we can set the alarms.
Yeah, and when it's not snowing,
we're gonna
we'll head out there and install this. Wish us luck. First thing we need to do is measure how tall our water tank is.
To the water inlet.
To the inlet. Got a 25,000 litre water tank.
2.6. Then we minus 20, so that will be 2.4.
Right. Got helpers here. By that I don't mean kids, I mean these guys.
Ah.
Okay, so we've just been down there, measured how high the water tank is, taken 20 centimetres off that because that's what we need to do. So these two are going outside. This here that in there. This gets plugged into here,
And that gets plugged in.
and this gets plugged into the wall.
Shall we turn it on?
Beep. Nope. Oh, there we go. It says it's waiting. So, I'm going to plug this into here. And it's got a little, doesn't it have like a thumb?
You gotta twist it.
I thought you twisted it at the top.
The thing down the bottom, you got to twist with your fingers. Apparently you should feel it snap into place. So it's splashing.
Okay. That's plugged in. Press that button there.
So it
And
goes
get a
green.
green light.
It's not green. Is it green?
Yeah, that was green. To add device. Waiting. Press the connect button, so I might need to press that again. Oh, there we go. Tank 1 added. Waiting. Shall I go back? And go settings. Tank settings. There we go. Okay. Tank height. So what was it? 2.4?
Yeah, 2.4. Yep.
Set outflow height. Generally 0.1. We're just going to go with that. And then we're basically down to physical installation. We haven't given it a name yet. We'll have to think about that one. Leave us a comment and tell us what you think our tank should be named. And of course, sound. Display, what's that? I see, you can dim it, backlight, all that sort of. That's fine. We'll play with all that later. But now, it's pretty much time to go install this. It stays our tank is empty because it's on the bench.
Right, I've cut a piece of plastic to seal the hole I'm about to make. First things first, let's drill the hole.
Yep.
And I'm just going to go,
So this is where the monitor itself is going to be dropped into.
that's, yep. Oh, that's thick plastic. Okay, we want the minimum size hole. I'm
I
not
think
sure.
that might not be thick enough. No.
No, we're going to have to go all the way. Uh-oh. Oh, stop the drilling there for a second.
What would you do if you did?
Cry.
Send you in to get it.
Yeah. Right.
That's it.
Now we need to feed it carefully
Without
all the way to the bottom without dropping it, but making sure it gets to the bottom.
How will you not get to the bottom?
It's at the bottom now. I'm just going to tuck any excess in there. Hopefully Aston turns up very soon.
Yep, he's coming.
Oh, but this is right.
Followed by a bunch of chickens.
Right, so I'm just going to drill into this plastic.
Oh, that's cunning. I see now.
And then I'll just get a blob of silicone, just put a blob of silicone on that and nothing will be able to get in. This is our drinking water, so if it was cows, I wouldn't care either.
Yeah.
But because it's for us, I care a lot. I care a lot. Trust me, if you were ever inflicted with the Care Bear, Sam, you'd know all about it.
And of course it's got its own little solar panel thingy on top there. So that's pretty cool.
It's pretty cool. A little bit of silicone over that. So, right, let's get up the roof and see if it's working, shall we?
Hey,
Ready?
we need to exit the roof.
No!
Okay, moment of truth. Oh, look at that. 93%. That's about right. It says 2 days up the top, and I'm not sure what that means. Surely that's more than 2 days worth of water.
Is it working?
So, yeah,
Awesome.
here we go. That can sit by the phone there.
Okay, I've got no idea where the
That's-
2 days come from. Oh,
No.
I do know what that 2 days comes from.
Oh, what is
Apparently, it monitors our water use
Ah,
and
it tells us.
how many days of water of current, but it hasn't had any time to monitor it, so it must have something preset to it.
Ah, right.
I
So
mean-
over time it'll probably be a bit
Adjust
more
it.
accurate to.
Yeah.
Awesome. There we go, 93%. Woo.
Are we going to take the film off it?
Yes, we will. That is the satisfying
Oh,
bit.
you
Go
can
on.
do that.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You know what I'm talking about. So there we go. Yay! Hit like, leave me a comment down below, hit subscribe. Back to more normal programming next week. Okay, bye.